آئیں گے یوں نہ گھبرا کہ چراغاں نہیں تاریکی میں، ڈوب کر خون میں ہم لے کے سحر آئیں گے۔ تو جو دیکھے گا تو اے قدس فضا میں تیری، تو جو دیکھے گا تو اے قدس فضا میں تیری، ہم ابابیل کی صورت میں نظر آئیں گے۔
Time is ticking by, the world is standing by, image is getting worse, voice is getting hoarse, children don't lose bits, no one calling quits, humans burnt alive, no chance to survive, mothers scream in pain, exploded child brains, unborn in the womb, straight to the tomb.
Dreams killed, ambitions unfulfilled, shaking from the shock, death around the clock, still they insist, toddlers are terrorists, terror in children's eyes, bombs raining from the skies, calling for their mom who was crushed by a bomb. You say we terrorize? Come see our skies. Yes, that is a dare. Let's see how much you bear.
No gluten for your bread, no graves for our dead, no power of war, just barbaric slaughter, body parts unclaimed, breathing bodies maimed, the rotten stench of death, no time to catch our breath, no time to mourn or think, more hits before we blink, hospitals under attack, trying to make us crack, but little do they know that even an embryo who's born in this land is born to withstand, born to resist with the right to exist. Resilience is bred, it's our butter and bread. We won't leave our land, five, won't they understand?
Threatened by babies, children and ladies, from far the cowards kill. Afraid the truth was spilled, they can pay for their lives with their diplomatic ties. But the truth is free with the eyes you can see. Apocalyptic views, yet lies on the news are stories for views, not to actually be told. The media's control, the news is mostly fake. AI photos that they make were robbed of dignity cause we want the world to see. Look and open your eyes. Still the world denies, the truth is unveiled. Humanity has failed, give them hell. They treat from the rich and comfy seats.
Hearts hardened, blind, brainwashed, confined. Who gets to decide whose murder is justified? Who gets to pick? This all makes me sick. We went back a century, Holocaust, slavery, white superiority. Animals are not so cruel. They don't mock and ridicule. Making TikToks of our pain, that's below inhumane. But the people awaken, outspoken and shaken. Go share our accounts. We know you know our accounts. That's why we're a threat. We simply make you sweat. If the G word is banned, it means you understand that there is blood on your hands. Go censor and delete. Let history repeat.
Politicians two-faced. Our words watch our ways. They are sly as a fox with their self-righteous talks. There must be judgment day, cause there is a price to pay. I heard a child scream. I wish it was a dream. This is reality. Shame on humanity.
Oh look, there are some social media platforms.
Time is ticking by, the world is standing by. But decades from today, we can proudly say, I felt a fire in my chest and I passed this test. At least we say we tried to end this genocide. Jazakallah khair.